You think Europe's best cars come from Germany or Romania's Dacia sells more cars than Alfa Romeo, Jaguar, and Jeep combined. Quietly, Romania's become one of Europe's strongest automotive forces. Let's talk about it. In the global auto conversation, Romania is often ignored. But if you've driven a car in Europe, chances are you've seen a Romanian car fly past you. Built with practicality, durability, and affordability in mind, Romanian cars don't aim for flash. They aim for function. And they're winning. This is the story of how Romania, with limited resources and a communist legacy, became a European car-making powerhouse. 1. Dacia, the people's powerhouse. Let's start with the star. Founded in 1966, it was originally built to give every Romanian family a car under communist rule. Their first model, the Dacia 1100, built under license from Renault. Fast forward to today, Dacia is Renault's best-selling subsidiary, producing over 500,000 vehicles per year. Models like Dacia Sandero, the best-selling retail car in Europe for years. Dacia Duster, an affordable SUV with real off-road credibility. Dacia Spring, one of Europe's cheapest electric vehicles. Dacia's Formula, simple straw, no-nonsense cars that just work and don't break the bank. 2. Renault's smart move. When Renault bought Dacia in 1999, the world scoffed. Why buy a communist-era factory in Romania? Now, that factory builds cars for over 40 countries. Renault didn't just save Dacia. It turned Romania into one of its most important production hubs. Logan, Duster, and Sandero models are engineered with French brains and Romanian muscle. That mix, it's working better than anyone predicted. 3. Ford Romania, the Western anchor. It's not just Dacia. Ford invested in Romania too. In 2008, Ford took over a massive plant. Today, that plant produces the Ford Puma crossover, the EcoSport SUV, and F-ready engines for future models. Romania, ISNT, just building its own cars. It's helping build the future of American and European brands too. 4. A supplier superpower. Behind every finished car is an army of suppliers. Romania hosts hundreds of part suppliers, making steering systems, wiring batteries, ECU modules. Companies like Continental, Bosch, and Delphi have major factories in Romania. Why? Because Romania's engineers are skilled, the labor is competitive, and the infrastructure is improving fast. This isn't just assembly, it's full-on automotive engineering. 5. What makes Romanian cars different? Romanian-built cars don't pretend to be premium. They're honest, affordable, reliable, and made for the real world. And that's exactly why they're winning in markets like Germany, France, Italy, Morocco, Latin America. You don't need a Euro 50,000 car to go to work. Sometimes you just need a Dacia. And did LL do the job for 10 years without complaint? With EVs like the Dacia Spring, Romania is now entering the electric era. More efficient factories, more connected cars, and even rumors of new homegrown EV startups. Romania is no longer just Eastern Europe. It's becoming Europe's automotive backbone. Romania doesn't scream for attention. It just delivers cars that work, cars that last, and cars that the world is finally starting to notice. Have you ever driven a Dacia? Would you buy one over a big German brand? Tell us in the comments. Hit like if you respect smart design and simple engineering. And subscribe for more deep dives into underrated car cultures from around the world.